back to another video. If you're new on this space, my name is Anita, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Lagos. In today's video, I'll be telling you YouTube niches known for generating higher revenue. I list out few niches that is known for generating higher revenue on YouTube, guys, for you guys. So I just got monetized and I noticed few things on my channel. I went to my YouTube studio, studied my YouTube studio very well, and I noticed few things on my channel. So I decided to list down this for you guys, for all of the growing small YouTubers like me. I decided to list out all this for us. So if you're a new YouTuber or a growing YouTuber, or you want to start your YouTube channel and you don't know the niche to start your YouTube channel with, you don't know the niche to venture into, you don't know the niche that will bring revenue faster for you, I am here for you guys. So listen, even if you're already a YouTuber and you know the niche you are is not generating enough revenue for you, just like mine, so and you want to change, yes, you can actually switch. Okay, you can actually switch. This video is for you. All the niche I'll be mentioning for you guys here are those niche that gives higher CPM. It increases your advertisers demand rate. Yes, it does. So if you don't know what is CPM is cost per miles. So all these niche are niche that will generate high revenue for you. So the first one is health and fitness. Okay guys, so for those of you that are into health, this niche is the best niche for you because it will generate high revenue for you. You talk about workouts, nutrition advice, mental health, weight loss tips, and yoga tutorial. These are the things you're going to talk about on your niche. The second one is tech and gadgets. Okay, if you're into tech, you're a tech guru, this niche will generate higher revenue for you. So the topics you'll be talking about will be product review. You review products, you do an unboxing video, you do a tutorial and comparison for the latest gadgets, you know, and apps, then softwares. Okay, those are the things you're going to be talking about. And number 3 is personal finance and investing topic. You talk about saving money, investing in stock market, real estate, and passive income ideas. Those are the things you'll be talking about. Another niche you can dive into is education and online learning. When it comes to learning, people do not get tired of learning. They learn online a lot these days. Thank God for technology. People learn online these days. So the topics you're supposed to be talking about on your education and online learning niche will be skill tutorials, okay, exam preparation, and language learning, coding, and career development. Okay, if you're good in education and online learning, this niche is for you. The next niche you can start is luxury and lifestyle. For those people that likes lifestyle vlog, you know, lifestyle and luxury, this is for you guys. The topic you'll be talking about on this particular niche will be travel experience, you know, cars and fashion, you know, exclusive fashion. Those are the things you'll be talking about, and people will be here to listen, people will be here to watch you. Okay, another niche you can venture into will be business and entrepreneurship. You'll be talking about starting a business, productivity hacks, freelancing, and marketing strategies. Those are the things you can be talking on this particular niche. So guys, I just listed six niche that you can start on YouTube. These are all these niche I listed. They are niches that will generate high income for you, high revenue on YouTube. So if you want to start your YouTube channel, so you can start with any of these niches and grow your YouTube channel. So this is part A of this. I have part B, so the part B will come later. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, drop a comment on the comment section, share and subscribe. See you guys in another video. Bye.